If you're choosing between the Soundboks Go and the JBL Boombox 3, this isn't just Bluetooth speaker versus Bluetooth speaker. It's maximum volume versus everyday versatility. So which speaker is actually better? Let's break it down. Soundboks Go is built for one thing, getting loud. It delivers massive output, long battery life, and enough volume to power outdoor parties, sports events, and large gatherings. Many users describe it as a portable PA system disguised as a Bluetooth speaker. But here's the catch. It's larger, more expensive, and doesn't sound as refined at lower listening volumes. JBL Boombox 3 takes a more balanced approach. It offers powerful bass, excellent portability, waterproofing, and a sound signature that works well across many music genres. For most people, it feels more practical for daily use, road trips, backyard gatherings, and indoor listening. The downside is that it simply can't match the sheer volume output of the Soundboks Go. So, which speaker is better? Choose the Soundboks Go if you want maximum volume, outdoor performance, and party-focused sound. Choose the JBL Boombox 3 if you want better sound quality, stronger bass tuning, and a more versatile everyday speaker. Bottom line, the JBL Boombox 3 is a better speaker for most people because it offers a better balance of sound quality, portability, and everyday usability. But if your goal is to fill a large outdoor space with music, and volume matters more than anything else, the Soundboks Go is in a completely different league. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.